Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. If you don't know yet, RT Boss has been arrested. Blinga went live, subscribe, share, listen up.
RT Boss has been arrested. You know what's funny about this? Let me tell you what's funny about this blood clot here. You see this internet? This internet is real. This is not a joke. This internet is real. It's real people on the internet. Right now, we just have to wait and see the outcome. Because usually when somebody gets arrested, you know, they come out on bail. Me don't know. Me lost to blood clot. I know he was arrested before morning. Oh, you know that? But like me say, me know people will get arrested and them see the judge and them come out on bail. Me don't know. Guys, I'm actually waiting to hear back something. I don't know. All she said to me was, my husband has been arrested. I said, what the fuck? Yeah. So I just want the Blinganeers and the royal family to know this. So you guys can rejoice now. But remember that getting arrested doesn't mean that you're going to be staying in lock. I do not know what. I don't know on what charge. I don't know anything because I'm talking to her and I peer crying. I never want to. I'm going to try to speak to her later if she wants to talk. I don't know. People, I really don't know. Una asked me no more come last. But I told her I have to tell the people. She said, okay. So, me I come out and me I tell her. So that's why I say. Me don't know yet. Me don't know yet. So, just wait. It's just pure balling. It's just pure balling. Me not hear nothing else. Balling. And me can't ask the bunch of questions them in the balling. You understand? But on my side, anything else further, I will let you guys know. Because he's gonna need a lawyer. And all I know that I stand with RT Boss. What I can do for boss? Not about her.
I said the wood can't add the whole in a spice mouth. Or it big.
Not about her. Not about her.
The bigger the better.
The blood clot.
I wonder who else has some picture. I want to see what else she can do.
Yeah, not about her. Not about her.
My girl she has sucked the ice cream.
I come call me big back blinger. And put your back. Look on your back and look on your body. Not about you. Not about your spice. Not about you.
But so when I time our body I rock now too.
Not about blood clot you. Then you just see the picture. No, sir.
Blinger, show them the picture, Blinger. Show them, because they must want a reminder.
Then they must catch the picture over there. No, boy, you. No, boy, you. No, boy, you. Me stuck on this to blood clot. Me can't come off. No, boy, you. No, boy, you. That's something I judgment.
So if it is not known that there is a charge for real, like, they will take you in for questioning because it's going around or people be calling them and whatever. They have to look into it because it's the law. Once it's been reported, they have to look into it. But that doesn't mean that he's charged. Charges are brought against him for anything.
So then he wasn't arrested. He was brought in for questioning. There's a
Yeah,
big
it could be detained. Yeah, it could be just detained
She
and brought in
said
for questioning.
arrested. She used the word arrested.
But then he wasn't brought in for questioning.
Later, me no know. Me I go try talk to her again. So little boy, me can come with something else. All of them there.
So
Me no know nothing miss.
the reason I asked, because I don't want to assume, because we all know what assumptions do. So the reason I ask is because if it is related, if the charges are related to what's going on, the discovery process would take more than a weekend. It wouldn't happen so quick. In order to arrest someone on these allegations, there would have to be a discovery process. The discovery process would include interviewing the alleged victim and getting different types of as this person, because I don't know if it's true in telling. I don't want to go there, but there are a lot of loopholes in this
Who will
story.
lead? Who will lead?
Like I said before, one of the things he said is they could get evidence from footage, etc. And I'm not saying he's lying, and I'm not gonna say he's not lying. What I am gonna say is there are loopholes, and maybe he was nervous. I don't know, but there are loopholes, right?
Him get here in my work.
So the if it's a related charge, the discovery process would take a little longer than this. And so I am going to say, if RT is arrested, it has to be something else that someone else may have alerted the
Well,
officers.
me not really know anything. Me not, to tell you the truth, me only did that hear what she has said and I try to comfort her and them something there. Me not get for ask no question. Me not get no chance to ask no question. And the call not even last for 10 minutes.
Jun, someone said they have evidence. Gathering evidence would also be a part of the discovery process. The discovery process does not take a weekend. That's not how this thing works, right? Because no one wants to get sued. And if they arrested RT without any type of evidence, and you know what? I'm going to log off because you know something? There are so many lawsuits that I see. I don't understand how people talk without adding the word alleged before. And when I watch the interview, I'm like, who is giving these people advice?
It's not spicy, Gabba, but spotted out here in these streets still alive after almost dying from a botched surgery airbrush to the garden. Looking like Blueberry Fairy Godmother Disney cartoon character tired through pretending to be the child at 62 and the people like that. Pregnant from who? Little eggs been piled child. We would think that after she carried her black ass to the Dominican Republic and forget another surgery that was botched because your body never looked good. Got sick, infected, hernia, ruptured intestines, body and septic shock, eating her goddamn skin, rotting out her whole goddamn stuff. Attacking her lungs and all major organs, Gaggle. The bitch was about to die, bitch had to be fed through a feeding tube, Gaggle. You know, after all that, we think that she would stop with the bullshit and get her life over to Jesus and stay the fuck offline and stay on her knees praying, but she's still online with the bullshit faking, and we the people say we tired of all your antics, bitch. Just write a roster song and sit the fuck down and shit the fact up, because we hate it. You can't afford a real doctor, okay? I advise you hoes to sit the fuck down and just love the one you with. Getting all these surgeries still ain't secured no wedding ring. You still ain't gonna be getting zero fucks about you, your lives, or your comeback from nowhere, but the DR botched and fucked up. And what a bitch, you went and got a BBL over 50 and almost died from infection. That's it, that's all. You knew when the first report came out, your publicist tried to hide. Lying, fat, black, ugly ass, the way they zoomed in on your pussy and it was dragging the flow. That's the first thing that you needed to get worked on. Child, you know your ass was too old to be having all them goddamn surgeries anyway. Take your fat, black, ugly ass to the gym and work out and back up from the table, fight, not fight. Y'all talk about God gave you a new life. God ain't gave you shit. Gaggle, let's start right there. You just not healing from that infection that set check on blood. You don't set in your fat ass body. Your cheap ass over there getting that cheap ass work done and almost died. Do better because you do better. And let the young girls know what it is for real, so they won't get their ass over there and almost die like you did. Yeah, the truth, shame the goddamn fucking devil. All these fucking surgeries still ain't secured no man or no fucking album sales. So stop it. Don't let us catch you going over the night. No spicy. Now here, first it was a skin bleach and now this bitch. You always pulling stunts, yeah. Go to new life could be portrayed in many ways. Fake pregnancy is not one of them. You stupid, dumb, tired ass bitch. That's called doing anything for clicks and views instead of doing the right thing, giving thanks and praises to the Lord. You could have went in your closet and did that on your own. They say they're making a PSA on the dangers of flying the cheap ass shit. Whole country's getting cheap ass surgery done because you broke this fucking almost dying on the surgery table, leaving your kids home without their mammies and pappies. You bitches need to do this shit. We the people order you to change. Your colostomy bag, because we heard you shitting on yourself wearing a diaper, but you didn't want to take it. Go change your colostomy bag, yeah, go ahead and go to bed, bitch, because we ain't buying it and we the fuck sick of you. Don't let us hear nothing else about you going over there to the DR going to get no motherfucking surgery. You hear that, Spice? Hitting that up. Come in here with that carrying on. Get. You put on that. You see me, Grace Lataya Hamilton. You're one of the best persons when me know what you read me. Me walk on road and people see me at the wall and say them I read and they don't read fuck. Them don't know shit. But you see, you can look at me and tell me something and me believe I know it's your blood clot. You put on that. You see me.
So after the live with Miss Bling and his wife or whoever did the behind the background, RT page go live on Instagram. I don't know if I him, because people are say I goodly know him and him probably a fakey if you try to get money from the people them like what they were doing Ivan lock up. But somebody went live on his page and post some explicit photos of Spice when she do her surgery. There was an alleged picture of Spice doing oral sex with somebody. People are saying Spice, people are not saying Spice. They know there was another person, a brown person, having sex. And the picture was taken from like do a backers, but some people are saying pretty, but we don't know. We don't know because that brown person is obviously not Spice. But me can't show no them the picture there. Me can't show no them the video because I know on YouTube. Take my channel because I saw nasty, disgusting picture. But anyway, RT also released some voice notes between him and Spice. And that we can make them listen, but I know I have to go. I don't think no we can show them the kind of video there. Picture them when post on Instagram. Yeah guys, so make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share, stay tuned. That's it for now guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment and share. And see you next time.